Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and I hope everyone is well. You know Pandas, NumPy, and matplotlib? Cool! But what if I tell you there is a whole underground world of Python libraries that make your code faster, cleaner, and way more fun? Today, I'm going to show you 7 Python libraries that you've probably never heard of, but once you use them, there's no going back. And no, this isn't a list with requests and seedborn. Let's go. First up, Plotly. You probably heard of matplotlib and seedborn, but they're static. Plotly lets you create an interactive plot with zero extra setup. Here's the sample code that we will be using running Plotly. So here's the sample code that we'll be using. I'm just gonna shift my head a little bit. First of all, we're going to import the Plotly express as PS so that we don't have to call out the whole name going forward. And then we initiate a data frame here by utilizing some of the data that's available within Plotly. And this is where we build a scatter plot to highlight each continent and their life expectancy. Fig.show is basically showing the results. Once I run it, the results will be like this. It's interactive, as in when you hover over the data points, you'll get the corresponding results. And you can also select specific area to do a further analysis. Next up, Sweetviz. If you hate manually exploring data, this one is a cheat code. Here we're going to utilize some of the data that we graphed from Kaggle and then show you how the results will look like. So here's the sample code that we'll be using. First of all, we're going to import a package called Sweetviz and then Pandas as well, because we need to read the CSV file within the environment. So we read the CSV in and then use the Sweetviz to visualize the data. So once you get it executed, you will get the results like this. Once you hover over, it gives you the detailed summary for all the variables, including categorical variables. So this makes your life easier when it comes to exploratory data analysis. And to add on, this is my go-to tool when I need to take a first look of the data, just to understanding how the data is being distributed, especially when I'm too tired to do it manually. Next, polars. Think of it as Pandas on steroids. Faster, multi-threaded, and memory efficient. And I'm going to show you as a comparison between polars and pandas. And as you can see here, the first one is about using the traditional pandas and then you execute it. After that, we'll just do polars as well and see how different the speed looks like. And as you can see, polars runs faster. It's building in Rust, insanely fast and perfect for big data. Next, if you work with APIs or messy data, Pydantic is your best friend. Why is that? It will help you with the data validation that doesn't suck. So in this example, we're going to use the base model from Pydantic to help us deal with the data when it comes to different format. As you can see here, I put the age as a string format, and the base model will automatically help us correct the format accordingly with the proper data conversion. It's like a data contract, but smarter. It saves me hours for debugging. Next up, Missingno. If you're still using isNo.sum to find missing data, stop. Here's a sample code that how you can utilize Missingno as a function to help you identify the missing data accordingly. And what's better than is know the sum is that it gives you the visual output. So now I randomly pick a data set from Kaggle, which is the Netflix data, where it has a lot of missing values in certain columns. I'm just gonna import it and plot it, and here's the output that you can see. The white bar in between, that means those are the ones with missing data. It shows exactly where your data is broken, how much is missing, and even correlation between nodes, all in one line. Next up, Loguru. Building logging in Python is clunky. Let's fix it. And this is a sample code that you can use the logger within Loguru. It helps you with the color coding part so that it highlights different types of log accordingly. It handles formatting, file saving, rotation, all out of the box. Finally, let's talk about the final package I personally like a lot, TQDM. You build a progress bar for any route in one line. So what you need to do is just to import the package accordingly. This is the sample code that I've been using. TQDM is the one that you typically put in for loop, and it shows the progress bar accordingly. So let me execute it, and then here, this is the sample progress bar that you'll be seeing. Now you can stop guessing how long your code takes. These are the libraries that I wish someone showed me at my early career. On part 2, smash the like button and tell me which library blew your mind. I'll link all of them in the description. Happy coding! And if you like this, we also have other Python, SQL, data science related tutorial in this channel. Make sure you subscribe for more, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you very soon. Bye.